and it's also about the events that have unfolded in the last couple of, let's say, 72 hours. We've seen things happening, places being, or businesses being destroyed. So we want to reach out to see how, every one of us here in our own rights are attached to a particular group. So how we can reach out to many people to say, please, it is enough. How do we get back to normality now? And to kickstart this meeting, I would want to call on Isuwa Dogo. If you could kindly unmute yourself, and if you could make your intervention as to the topic that we are calling for, a handshake across the whole nation, that you will have to come together as a people to deal with what is happening now. Mr. Dogo, you're welcome once more to the conversation this morning.
Thank you very much, and God bless all of you. There is this saying that the strength of some of us is greater than the strength of one of us. And the strength of all of us is greater than the strength of some of us. And I have a broom here to demonstrate what these young people have said. And I want you to see, this is a broom, isn't it? If you take a few like this, you can break it. You can see how easy it is. That is the strength of some of us, greater than the strength of one of us. You can just cut like this. But the strength of all of us is greater than the strength of all of us. You can see, I can't bend it and I can't break it. And that is exactly what the youth of Nigeria have demonstrated, that the strength of all of us is greater than the strength of some of us. And I have never seen in my life this kind of unity, this kind of patriotism, this kind of solidarity, this kind of love that our youth have shown to the Nigerian populace and have shown the whole world, not just Nigeria. And for about 12 days or thereabout, they simply went about singing and dancing in love. And in fact, if I am not making a mistake, what they were doing was even far more for the benefit of the police and all security agencies than even for the youth themselves. Because the police, an average policeman, not even the Inspector General of Police, will walk up to the National Assembly or the president or any group to ask for a better package for the police force. But these youth were certainly selfless, and they put the interest of the police and, of course, by interpretation, all other security forces in front to show Nigeria what love, unity is all about. And of course, the greatest is love, which they have simply demonstrated. No religion, no tribe, no sectionalism, nothing else but love and unity of Nigeria. And therefore, there is hope for this great country called Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Isuwa Dogo. Thank you for that intervention. I mean, obviously, we all have seen what is happening. We all saw that, again, as you reaffirmed, there is unity of purpose. In that protest, there was no Igbo, there was no Yoruba. All that we saw was Nigerian youth demanding to be alive. And that is a fundamental right that they have, to demand to be alive, not to be shot.